Have you noticed changes in your website's SEO performance lately? It might not be a coincidence. Google, the tech giant that sets the pace for search engine optimization, has rolled out a fresh update. This new update, part of Google's constant effort to enhance user experience, could be the reason behind these fluctuations you've been noticing. This recent update has a renewed focus on prioritizing high-quality, helpful, and reliable content. It's all about meeting user needs more efficiently and ensuring that the best, most relevant content takes center stage. From the way keywords are targeted to how voice searches are optimized, these changes could be subtly or significantly affecting your website's SEO performance. But what does this mean for you? How is this update influencing your SEO strategy, and what can you do to adapt? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the changes brought about by this update and how they could be impacting your website's SEO. So, what exactly is this new Google update all about? Let's dive right in. The recent Google update signifies a significant shift in the world of search engine optimization. It's a move that emphasizes the importance of high-quality, helpful, and reliable content. In essence, Google is making it clear that the more valuable and trustworthy your content is, the higher it will rank in search results. This update is all about rewarding quality over quantity, a move that aims to ensure that the most useful information is easily accessible to users. Now let's talk about the expanded concept of EAT, which stands for expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. In this update, Google has added experience to the equation. This means that not only should your content be expert, authoritative, and trustworthy, but it should also provide a positive user experience. Google is looking at how users interact with your content, how long they stay, their level of engagement, and whether they find what they're looking for. In short, the better the experience you provide, the higher your chances of ranking well. But that's not all. The update has also introduced changes in SEO key performance indicators, or KPIs. In the past, metrics like traffic and rankings were the primary focus. However, with this update, the focus is shifting towards conversion-focused metrics. This means that it's not just about getting people to your site anymore. It's about making sure those visits translate into meaningful actions, like making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading a resource. Now that we understand the update, let's see how it affects SEO. What does this mean for your website's SEO performance? Well, this update shakes up the SEO game quite a bit. The update places a heavy emphasis on high-quality, helpful, and reliable content. This means that your website's ranking will depend more than ever on the quality of your content. A quick, cheaply made article filled with keywords might not cut it anymore. Instead, Google is rewarding content that adds value to its users. Now let's talk about targeting specific search terms and optimizing for voice search. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, voice search is becoming increasingly prevalent. Google's update recognizes this trend and rewards websites that optimize their content for voice search. So it's time to start thinking about how your audience might phrase their queries verbally and how you can tailor your content to match those queries. Creating engaging and interactive content has always been beneficial for SEO, but with this update, it's more important than ever. Google is now placing more value on content that encourages user interaction. This could be anything from polls and quizzes to interactive infographics or videos. The more you can engage your audience, the better your SEO performance will be. Lastly, user experience is paramount. This means optimizing page speed, ensuring your design is responsive, and creating informative and captivating content. Google wants to make sure its users are being directed to websites that not only provide the information they're looking for, but also provide a smooth and enjoyable browsing experience. But how can you adapt to these changes? Let's find out. How can you ensure your website stays ahead in this rapidly evolving SEO landscape? Well, it's all about adaptation. With Google's recent update, it's become more important than ever to install conversion tracking codes. These codes allow you to better understand user behavior and tweak your strategy accordingly. Moreover, Google now prioritizes high-quality, helpful, and reliable content. This means you need to focus on creating content that not only attracts, but also provides value to your audience. By understanding and adapting to these changes, you can ensure your website continues to thrive in this ever-changing digital landscape.